Hey guys, it's me Abby, and today is going to be an exciting day because I'm going to New York. I'm so tired. I woke up this morning. I had a 9 a.m. class. I'm exhausted and I didn't try today, so I'm feeling very disoriented. I'm going to New York with my friends Nikki and Brooke. Brooke's friends go to Pace University, which is in Manhattan, and so we're gonna just have like a 24-hour trip in New York because we'll be back tomorrow night. It's my last day being vegan, which I probably already uploaded that video before this. I just gotta pack because I haven't packed one thing yet, and we're leaving at 4. It's currently like 10 something. I already did an intro. Hello everybody. Say hi, Brooke. So we're on the train now, ready to go to New York. It was a rough ride, rough journey. We got here. Long story short, this bitch didn't pack in time, so we had to take the next train.
Not the best of time.
Yeah, now we have to take 4 trains. 4 trains.
Yeah, it's three stops.
3 stops,
So
4
three
trains.
Three trains.
Some trains. To get to our destination, yes. But we're really excited about it, and yay. Okay guys, we are not incompetent, but just unsure of how to use Philadelphia public transportation. We just got some tickets. We're about to go to New York, I guess. I'm not quite sure how this is gonna work.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna make it there.
We have 2 people from the Midwest and 1 that doesn't know how to work trains. So it's a fun time. It's a perfect little combo, perfect little group to go to New York.
Yes.
So
We're off the fucking quiet train.
we're in a quiet train.
Ew.
For I don't know how long that even was. We got yelled at by this guy behind us because we were in a quiet train, and we were like, we didn't know that.
Chunky headphone.
So we just listened to some music. We were chilling. Now we're on another train, actually to New York, because we're in New Jersey right now. Morning. I just woke up from a nap.
Good morning. Good morning.
We got to New York.
New
York. We just pulled up to the Penn Station. Yeah, here in New York. Yeah, here in the Penn Station. New York City.
I have to pee so
We got pee so bad. In New York. So update, we've gotten pizza. We chilled in the dorm for a little bit. Now we're out in the city. Fun shit. Everyone's dressed really nice because, you know, that's just how New York works, but
I'm not dressed that nice.
that's what, no, you are.
I'm dressed.
We got our bombers on.
Yes.
We doing good.
This is my fucking city.
I am speechless.
I like to acquire.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. So we're over Pace.
Not New York.
We don't like it. New York's
Just like Temple too much.
Yeah.
like
It's not even that we hate these schools that much. It's just that
But
our school's just
no, you know
our
what
school's
it
just
is,
better.
dude?
I mean, can't help but
Yeah.
compare ourselves.
Yeah.
It's not even morning anymore. It's like noon.
Literally, when I woke up earlier, I thought it was like 7 a.m., but it was like 11.
I just took the best shit though. So.
That's so exciting.
That's awesome.
And you can keep that in your vlog because that's.
Ooh. Ooh, same thing from yesterday.
Same outfit.
No biggie, it's fine. Here we are. I thrifted all of this? No, I bought these from American Eagle.
The rest
They're so fun. The rest are 50s. Beautiful. We're leaving soon. It's 3:30 now, but I'm ready to go back home. Temple's best.
Hours in New York.
Complete. Almost complete.
Why the fuck is it called Madison Square Garden, but it's a circle? It is literally a circle.
We took the train to Penn Station and we were confused because we went up the stairs and it wasn't Penn Station, it was still a city, and we were like, where are we? The signs are right, why are we still in the city? But we had to take a little walk to Penn Station, but we're okay. We figured it out. It's very crowded. Yes. And we're trying to get to the train, but
Shimmy our way.
trying to shimmy our way in. But she's crowded, she's packed.
She's packed.
We've been here for almost an hour and a half sitting on this train. But just one more train. One more train and we'll be back at Temple. It's cold. Currently waiting for the other train. About 7 o'clock p.m. now. Okay guys, so here's what's going on.
We missed the fucking train and it's cold.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Train. On the screen right here, it said to North Philadelphia, train 726. The train that was right here was train 8. The train right here was at 8. Was train 810. Hello, everybody. I didn't quite explain or finish my sentence on what happened in those clips. Basically, what happened is we got off the train to go to Trenton. Off the train, there was this train standing at the rails. Phone told us that we needed to take the 726 train to North Philadelphia, and the one that was sitting on the rails when we got there was 810. So we assumed that it wasn't the one that we were supposed to get on. So we were staring at that train and waiting for this other train to come to take us to North Philadelphia. But once that train left, the name on the screen of the North Philadelphia train disappeared and said that the next train North Philadelphia wasn't for another hour. So we thought that, oh, the train that we're supposed to get on is going to come soon, but it didn't. I think it was just mislabeled. I really don't know what happened to this day, but long story short, we ended up having to wait a whole hour for another train, and it was cold. We were frustrated. We literally just wanted to get back home. We also just mentioned right before I filmed this that our trip was going super smoothly, considering that me and Nikki aren't from Philadelphia and Brooke doesn't take public transportation, and we jinxed ourselves heavy. So that's exactly what happened, and I needed to explain myself because that was not a good explanation of what we just went through. We're stranded at Trenton.
We can't wait till 8. I'm gonna.
We have a half hour left till.
Oh my god, ew. Oh.
And it's cold, so we pulled out the blanket. Okay, guys, finally on this fucking train.
Finally on the train.
Yay.
That's it.
It's 8 o'clock now. We'll be back around 9.
Still a little cold.
It's still a little chilly in here. Yeah. You're not wearing anything. She's living dangerously.
The knee hole doesn't match up with her.
Oh my god, I hate it so much.
It's so funny. Okay. We just got off the train. We are so tired.
Think about the show.
Okay, guys, this is creepy.
Evidence they're gonna see of us when we fucking die.
We're finally back home
Oh my god.
in a
I'm so
familiar place. No more stinky ass, trash ass, pace ass, fucking New York. Pasty ass. What the? Oh no, it's in here! Hi!
They just left.
Oh man, we're back.
Once again, I did not close out this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and my friends be in New York City for 24 hours. Overall, New York City is beautiful. Upper Manhattan, gorgeous place, but we just miss Temple. We're a little biased with Temple, so we're really happy to come home. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next one.